This playlist kind of goes hard. I like this. Slipstreams really step their pussy up when it comes to live streaming music. They have a whole live streaming like tag and category now. This is the Kawaii playlist. Perfect, honestly. Honestly, it slaps, right? I know. Hello. Hi everyone. I'm backwards. I'm backwards. Because it's what Unity calls for. I kind of want to eat a little snack first in chat before we get started. I recently, by recently I mean today and yesterday, I've been binging this K-drama called My Lovely Liar. I haven't watched honestly, I haven't watched anything that's not like a YouTube video or stream in months, literally months. So it was nice. It was really, really nice to sit down and devote myself to watching a piece of media. And it's really good. It's called My Lovely Liar. I highly recommend it. And it's about this girl who can tell when someone's lying. Like, that's the whole premise. And okay, the show is genuinely good. Like, they actually put so much more effort into it than like literally any other K-drama I've ever seen. Like, not effort into this story, in that stuff one second, let me mute my computer. Okay, stuff that happens gets foreshadowed like from the very first episode. Everything everything that happens is like ridiculous, but like makes perfect sense in the how it's presented, and everything has foreshadowing. Too much foreshadowing. Let me just say, never said this about a K-drama. Too much foreshadowing. I have never said this about a K-drama. They literally, like, there's literally no reason for them to bring in all of her neighbors in, like, the very first 5 minutes when they don't become relevant until episode 7. And each episode's, like, an hour and a half. Like, it's so pointless. Like, I guess maybe it is to like pad things out a little bit more. But anyways, the plot is the main character is this girl who can tell when people are lying. And so she's like turned that into her job, where like she owns this little tarot cafe, and then people say the secret passcode and they come in, and like she like goes on missions, and like basically like these people like bring her on a date or whatever with the like cheating boyfriend or whatever, and she tells them, oh yeah, he's lying about not cheating or whatever, and she gets paid ridiculous amounts of money by these rich people. Oh, it's so good. And then the male lead lies by omission, still lies. No, she can only, when someone says something, she can hear that it's a lie. So if they don't say anything, she can't tell. But then the male lead is this dude who is a composer for this one K-pop idol, but he's like super secretive. No one's ever seen his face, because it turns out that he got, I'm not gonna say framed. I mean, it's pretty clear that he got framed based on the fact that like he's the male lead. He got framed for this murder. And so everyone, he became national news because of this murder case. Everyone thinks he's the murderer. So he like moved his soul and like hid his face. So he's like secretly this murder suspect. But he's a good person. But he thinks that he murdered her too? I'm a little bit confused on that. But anyways, it's really good. It's really good. It's called My Lovely Liar. I'm gonna take a bite of this bread with brie. It's gonna be very crackly. Anyway, so that's what we've been doing recently, is binging that show. You can watch it on Viki. Okay, the only place really to watch K-dramas. Chips. Okay. 1 second, let me... Farrah sent me a TikTok and said, "Why can't I be rich?" With some luxury gym? What the hell? This looks like... I can tell exactly where this gym is located. What? I have to say, this gym does look like all the K-dramas I watch. What is that? I don't even know what that piece of equipment was. What is that? Oh, okay. Is that a restaurant? Surely the restaurant can't count as part of the gym. Interesting. Anyways, I've closed my laptop. It's streaming time. Okay, so right here we have, this is literally just the Unity project from the VC Face website. Apparently you can use this. Apparently there's some stuff set up so that you can convert all this stuff into VMC. Pose sender. Here we go. Bones send. Okay, let's take a look. Let's see if I can get this going with Warudo. Can you guys hear the BGM, or did I turn it down too low? Awesome. One more crunch. Do you guys eat the rind of brie? Have you guys ever had brie cheese? Do you eat the rind? I used to not eat the rind, but now I like it. It's a variety in flavor. You eat brie cheese with brie? I'm confused. Oh, face tracking is going to be... I can't believe they still haven't added VTube Studio. Oh wait, no, there's a mod. Wait. I heard there's a mod for Warudo that lets you use VTube Studio. Wait a second. Close Warudo. Close it. I heard there's a mod. Is it the community hub? How does this work? I paid for the whole brie, but I only got innards. Workshop? The first take mic. They have the first take mic here. Okay, how does this work? Plugins, maybe? Oh yeah, here we go. VTube Studio receiver. Vline's flow tools. OSC input mode. That would be helpful, actually. JSON. The fuck does that mean? Well, if you're doing this in Warudo, you might just be able to write a script that runs inside of it. Yeah, that's what this is. Oh, I mean, oh, you mean as far as receiving Optitrack? I think technically I could, but I am not invested in doing that. Let's just put it that way. Well, also, I mean, I want this to be able to be used with anything. I want this to be able to be used with anything that uses VMC. Yeah, that's my answer. Okay. Ugh. I know that VR chat takes OSC. Does it use the VMC standard? This is the nichest fucking question I've ever asked on stream, expecting a real answer. Do any of you know the answer to this? Do you guys know what standard VR chat never used it? Great. Okay. VR chat OSC. Like, if I want to actually control the full body of my model using the OSC input, how the fuck do I do that? 'Cause, I mean, people do that, right? I'm reading the VR chat page about it. Ooh. There's a GitHub for it. Oh. This doesn't look helpful. Ah, wait, fuck. I understand now. You have to actually create the avatar with an OSC receiver in it and actually handle it on your own side. That's fucking annoying. looks like they have a list of specific input formats. Oh. I can send a tracker position to it with OSC. Oh, okay, so this is what I want to know. I can't tell if, oh yeah, this is VR chat specifically. Let me read the spec. Fuck, the fucking link is not, it's broken. Since interacting with VR chat's OSC APIs requires downloading a program from the internet, exercise caution. I'm tired. Also, by the way, I'm stalling because apparently Visual Studio is taking 30 minutes to open. Holy shit. No, yeah, wait. Huh? Interesting. Huh. How do I use it? You can enable it and then use an OSC compatible application or device to stream data into VR chat or to read data coming from it. Oh, you can read... VR chat is emitting OSC data? Or can your avatar emit OSC data? Input and avatar parameters. Here we go. This is, yes, this is what I wanted to fucking see. Okay. OSC is input controller. I don't really care about this part. Chat box. You can input into the chat box. That's kind of cool. Whoa, sorry, I'm suddenly kind of dizzy. I think I had my head cranked in a weird way. Okay. When a new avatar is loaded by the local player with OSC enabled, a message will be sent to avatar change with the ID of, okay. The general idea is that incoming values at the address avatar parameter's name will set the value of a matching parameter's name. So, avatar parameter VRC emote with an integer value will set the default VRC emote parameter if you have it, and your avatar will start waving and dancing, etc. Here's, you know what's insane to me? VR chat still doesn't, I mean, I guess this is like really niche. They did, I think they did add face tracking from the Quest Pro. Did they ever actually do that? Why didn't they add face tracking from Vive Pro? That still bothers me. How's it going? Going good. I'm stalling because Unity's taking a big dump on my face, and so instead I'm reading about VR chat's OSC protocol. They have Vive face tracking? The setup is intensive. Why is the setup intensive? They have it? I literally have a Vive Pro with face tracking. I have this whole time. And I looked into it and maybe I didn't actually really look into it. You need to do a bunch of animator setup for it? Why? Why? The face tracker uses the ARKit blend shapes. That's fucking stupid. It's not 1-to-1. It's pretty fucking close. I'm spending today doing programming crimes. Did you know that Godot's animation player can call functions? Yeah, that doesn't surprise me in the least because I've heard that first of all, that's actually extremely useful. I mean, usually in these game engines, the animation controller is actually just a state controller, and so you can actually just use it to do anything you want. And so in a lot of cases, you do want to be able to call functions, especially if you're trying to do something specific at a specific time of an animation. Very helpful. And anyways, Godot is kind of basically just Unity, so. Ooh, sorry. That was a weird reaction. But, they give you, VR chat gave us a full, JSON example file, which is literally exactly what I want from every fucking program that exists. I don't care how many words you put it in, just give me an example file and I'll figure it out from there. Like, that's 99% of how I learn anything. Unity's animator is technically Turing complete. Wait, so you can only choose... What if I want to give it the exact rotation of the bones? Okay, I'm kind of annoyed now, actually. Because they gave us an... Ow! The bread was stabbing me. VR chat gave us a completely incomplete skeleton of an example. They never really figured out how to monetize it. Aren't they doing that soon? They're gonna have like their own marketplace, right? Because I mean, people already have an entire ecosystem. Not the word. They already have an entire economy based around VR chat. But they just do it outside VR chat. They want to do it within VR chat. And I think they announced that they're doing that. But who knows if people will like the cut enough. But I think they probably will, because VR chat's garnered enough goodwill. But the problem is ultimately that can't you just steal people's shit in VR chat? What do you mean devs get no cut? Wait, in the economy they're making, they're not taking a cut? Are you serious? Did their anti-cheat get hella aggressive? That's good. I'd say that's a good thing. It should have been that way. I think my Visual Studio is just broken. Okay, we're gonna try again. Hello! I mean the VRC gray market devs get no cut. Oh! Yeah. Hello, Dominic K. Thank you for joining us. I heard there was like some, I don't know why, but I get a lot of VR chat news on my, I guess because it's vaguely relevant to me, on my Twitter timeline. And, there's like, this whole Discord server of people who rip avatars, and they're doing like some sort of rally right now, some sort of contest. Okay. Visual Studio literally finally opened. It literally took 20 minutes. Okay. Did it? It didn't switch. There we go. Nice. What's the use for the... Whoa, you use the For You page? No, I actually don't. I do, however, look at the trends I have my trends set to world or whatever, but then of course they're still just tailored to whatever you care about, whatever they think you care about. So like constantly VR, if anything even tiny happens in VR chat, it's in my trending tab. It's in my trends. So I click it and then I find out. It's usually mostly furry porn though. Usually when I click the VR chat trend, it's mostly furry porn. Anyways. Is chat not on screen? I just realized. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. So this thing sends it sends VRM blend shapes and then all the bone rotations. Free porn, it's tailored for you. God, I love that you all said prawn. I mean, this is all pretty Chinese. Now we're really getting into the, like, plug and paste. Did I follow this person? Oh, no, yeah, this is the person who made the VMC protocol. Duh, they made VMC. Okay, so, none of this is written by, or made by, what's her name? Amelia? I mean, I guess I should have known that. Lua's next model is literally Kimono Lua. Kimono. I couldn't get there. Send me your bones over the internet. I know, right? I mean, that is, like, yeah, that is literally what this is for. UI. Let's take a look at the UI. To send bones to VC face over VMC protocol, remove Vita and add your own VRM to the scene. Play the scene, switch over to scene to pose the avatar bones in VC face in the general settings near the bottom. Enable VC at VMK. Pretty straightforward. That's right. I was installing those Warudo plugins, and I think they finished. So let's launch Warudo again and see if I can actually use Vtube Studio this time. I guess I'm hoping it will just be an option when I set this up. Okay. No, I know what I'm going to use. It's not. So how do I use it? Let me go in here. A small plugin to enable VTube Studio face tracking. This should now work with Meowface. I'm using the latest version of the plugin. What? Receiver. It's a node. Okay, so it's a okay. So I need to actually learn their Bluetooth function. Okay. So I guess I'll just set VMC for everything. Okay. Warning! Detected a full body pose tracking template, but head and body movements are enabled for face tracking. I don't know what the fuck that means. Import expressions? Yeah, go ahead. Do I want to pick an environment? For now I want the background to be transparent. Ooh, that's a nice addition that they added. That's good. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Oh, cool. Oh, I thought it wasn't. No, it's not working. Is it? It's not working. Camera? Output to spout, please. There we go. I'm giant. Second Lua. There's gonna be a lot going on the screen. Okay, so blueprints, face tracking. Oh, okay. I understand. I don't understand anymore. Oh, wow, there's a lot here. By default. Get VMC receiver. Okay, okay, so here, I should have a VTube. Yes! Okay, okay, I figured, okay, I'm learning. And then we just, can I just replace this? Or do I have to manually, fuck, I have to like manually put this in, huh? Bone rotation list. It won't let me. Oh, you guys can't see what I'm doing right now. When the VTuber model hits you with that fluoride stare. Oh, Bot sent a meme with that in it yesterday. It was about Mr. Pibb. It said when you talk about how good Dr. Pepper is and you get the Mr. Pibb stare. This is annoying that I have to do this manually. Right now I'm connecting nodes. It's very boring. Don't worry about it. I think it... Wait, is it working? Why are my Warudo eyes moving? But like 3 seconds to 5 seconds delayed. It's the ping. I think that's an idle animation. I think there's a idle animation thing going on here. Warudo is haunted, and it's like your reflection is looking elsewhere. Tell me if... It doesn't seem like it's receiving jack shit. I'm confused. I don't know how... I don't know anything. I'm a dum-dum with a dumb... T-posing Philo isn't real, she can't hear you. Meanwhile, T-posing really better. How do I make this work? Oh. Wait. I'm doing it wrong. Wait. Can I like undo everything? Apparently there's a... Wait, huh? Apparently it's here. I'm just supposed to be able to add a... Here. Oh, here we go. I don't want it to do... Can I just delete this? Okay, now I'm idle animating. Go put on my I'm a genius shirt. I think if I take my jacket off, it'll be there. I just don't know which one my jacket. Oh, not that one. There we go. I'm a genius. I still haven't gotten any of my own merch, by the way. I'm the last person to get it. Oh, you guys want to hear the tea on that? Not the tea. It was as by design. Bro, I got mine like months ago. Yeah, I know. Well, also, you didn't buy, for some reason my VTube Studio on my phone is crashed. I don't know what this is about. Also, you didn't buy the long sleeve shirt, which did delay a lot of people's orders, but also I believe that the way it worked is they just sent me... I am purposely the last person to have it sent out. But the, so I made about $70 from that. And I spent about, was it like $150? Because I wanted everything. So there you go. VTube Studio IP. Why the fuck, by the way? Sorry. Complaining. Nowhere in VTube Studio can you look up the IP of your own phone. I find it highly frustrating. Now it won't even, what the fuck? Oh god, I just saw myself. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's 92, 168. Apparently this is it. I don't know the port. Oh, I also don't have, oops. I actually don't have, I actually wasn't, I don't have. Is this the, wait, is it the port from VTube Studio? Oh yeah, it must be. That's probably not good. I don't know if this will work. Yeah, it sure isn't doing anything. Because I actually have a really weird, I mean, I guess my computer's receiving it. I've got your merch, but I'm afraid to try it on as the largest size they had was probably far too small for me. Ah. Well, it's okay. Frame it. Tom had the exact opposite problem. He's gonna frame it. So. Why is it saying I've used my hotspot data? Wait, maybe this. I'm so confused. I can't get it to work. By the way, are you going to check out Randon and Lando's Stardew Valley stream tonight at 6 p.m. PST on Randon's Twitch channel? Why, I sure am going to watch Randon and Lando's Stardew Valley stream tonight at 6 p.m. PST on Randon's Twitch channel called Randon Channel. I sure am. I'm actually very much looking forward to it. I'm really excited. Because of course I am! Why the fuck is it not receiving shit? It's not receiving shit. This program tries to be Apple without any of the infrastructure. Phone? What is my local IP address? Can Google tell me? No. Okay, iPhone. On the home screen, tap Settings, tap Wi-Fi. Go to the... Can't wait for Rando and Landon's Random London Rampage. Glad they're hanging out. Should be a fun time. I'm excited about it. And then tomorrow is AEW All In. I'm so excited. So part of the problem, by the way, is that my desktop computer and my phone are on two completely different routers. So who knows if this will even work ever. AW All In, like AWS? No, AEW, All Elite Wrestling. All Elite Wrestling, the second biggest wrestling promotion in the United States. Separate routers / VNets can be a pain. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Wait, are they? Maybe they're not on a separate router. No, maybe they're not on a separate router. I thought AWS Jam. Well, because, like, it is connecting to VTube Studio. Like, my computer is connecting to VTube Studio. So, clearly, I'm just not... Either this thing doesn't work, or I'm not typing in the right IP address. Either one could be right. According to this thing, though, I have now typed in the correct... Why did I think it would just start working when I don't have VTube Studio open? Okay, so clearly my phone's connected to my computer, but not connected to Warudo. So what's the deal? So what is the truth? the tech wizards when I need them. Let's see here. Heartbeat timer is the time between messages that are sent to VTube Studio to request data. This could be raised to lower the amount of... Plugin sus. Sus plugin. I have supposedly put in the right IP. So maybe the port's wrong? Do I have to do like port forward? Not port forwarding, but like in VTube Studio. Why didn't they just wait? Why didn't they just make this a well? Like, I guess it must be wait, maybe I have to turn off. Wait. Okay, now there's no excuse. So I thought maybe VTube Studio is taking up the port. 3D model time? Yeah, well, I'm trying to get this working. So the first thing I'm trying to work... This isn't even my own stuff. I'm trying to get something that's working that already exists. I'm gonna go back to Steam and see if anyone wrote a comment about this. This is the base... If you find something wrong, please, someone said, can someone please explain a step-by-step on how to set this up? I cannot figure it out. Could it be desktop VTS interfering? That's why I closed, well, I can completely close desktop VTS, but it's not, it doesn't have a server anymore. So... maybe save scene and then restart it? Maybe? Save scene. What's the difference between reload scene and restart scene? Just gonna restart it. Yeah, I don't know. My phone is connected to Wi-Fi, right? Yeah. Yeah, I have really no idea what the problem is. Hard to do step by step when you're doing problem solving, yeah. Oh, sorry, I was reading a comment that someone said on their Steam page. I just checked the VMC protocol spec, it's UDP. Oh. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to get the VTube Studio receiver plugin working. And it's simply not connecting to VTube Studio on my phone. Warudo VTubes. I'm googling. I'm YouTubing it. Nope. Nope. Nothing. Ah! Okay. Check which directory. I'm not sure what the fuck this program is looking for. My phone is certainly sending, but Warudo is not picking it up. Maybe? seems to be getting data. So what's the issue here? I don't even know what y'all are talking about in chat. I have completely lost track of what you guys are talking about in chat. You know what? Maybe I just need to start from scratch. Let's do a new scene. BTS. Select a character. This one. Okay. No, I know what I'm going to use. Face tracking, none. VMC. Go ahead and import the expressions. I want a transparent background. Okay, we're already honestly, we're already at a better place. Because it's not doing that idle animation, which I think might have been overwriting it. So... what the fuck was my... I don't remember what my phone's IP is. Lulu turned into a white and blue rectangle. Yeah, that was the sky background that they use for the default. Okay, what is my phone? Oh, that's right. It doesn't tell me. Love that for me. Okay, let's go back to my settings. It is 192, 168, 179. IP traced, I'm coming for you. And the port is completely wrong too. It should be... Why do they set this as the default port? It's not the default port in VTube Studio. Okay, moment of truth, you guys. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Frustrating. Let's try the other version of the IP. But I don't... Was it 17? Oh! Wait, I guess that doesn't matter. Why is my... I guess my character is not doing anything because the port's being taken. What is my phone? What is my phone's IP? My PC. Wow. Am I streaming now? You guys? I kept getting... This might have been the problem. I think I figured out the problem, guys. Hey guys, I think I figured out the problem. Do you want to know what was happening? My computer was using my phone as a hotspot. So that's why I kept getting texts saying I was using up all my hotspot data. And I'm actually really pissed because I needed that hotspot data too. Because I'm going traveling soon. I'm actually kind of pissed. But whatever. Anyways. Let's see if, okay, so now my computer... Wait, why isn't my computer hardwired into the internet? My computer is literally hardwired into the internet. Did I fix it? Okay, I think I fixed it. What the fuck? Hello? Are we back? Cool. Why can't I hear the music? Sorry, it didn't occur to me that if I unplugged the computer... So yeah, anyways, my computer that I'm on right now actually is on a different router. Which is less than ideal. So it doesn't automatically connect to your phone as a hotspot. Also, should only manually turn on hotspot for your phone. That shit will drain your battery. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know why, but my computer was using... Absolutely, my computer was using my phone as a hotspot, and I have no idea why. I didn't ask it to. No one said to. I didn't... No pop-up said, do you want to use your computer as a hotspot? Or my phone as a hotspot. But, yeah, that is what happened. I don't know why. Anyways. Frustrating. Okay, let's bring up VTube Studio again. Yeah, really weird. Very frustrating. I'm kind of upset about it. Okay, I'm back on screen. Find server. Well, that's a totally... Is that a totally different IP? Connect? It doesn't seem like it's able to connect. Like, it finds it? It finds it just fine, but it can't actually connect to it. I'm not entirely convinced that this IP that it's choosing is correct. No, that's right. Oh, there we go. Okay, finally. Hi, guys. Okay. Step 1 completed. Holy shit. No IP. Who dis? And then this should be 190. I've already said this on the stream like 5 times. 190 divided by 179. Come on. Come on. God. I have huge delay. Let me look. Hop. Hop. Huge delay where? Okay, I'm not even using Optitrack right now though. We're not there yet. That's not... The delay on stream is at least 30 to 45 seconds. Try refreshing? I don't know. It might seem that way because sometimes the chat on YouTube gets really delayed on screen. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys were talking about like, oh, chat's so delayed on YouTube. It's not actually that delayed. It just looks that, like, the chat that's on screen is delayed, but that's not the chat that I'm reading. I'm reading the YouTube chat. The chat that's on screen is really delayed. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sad. This isn't working. I don't know why it's not working. So you're not using Optitrack. What are you trying to do then? In this moment, I am trying to connect Vtube Studio to a Warudo plugin that allows you to use Vtube Studio. That's all I'm trying to do in this moment. This is honestly a huge sidetrack from what the stream was supposed to be about, but I need to do this too, so might as well do it. I'm hitting the microphone. Plosives. Why won't my computer show me my phone's IP? I would like very much for it to do that. Or for my phone to show its own IP. That would be great too. Because my phone doesn't even show my fucking IP. Okay, well, I'm gonna try type. I'm pretty sure that... Okay, just making sure it's not on screen, because I'm pretty sure that the IP that VTube Studio shows you is your public IP. Which is insane. I don't know why you would need that in this context, ever. Yeah, that didn't do shit. I'm so sad. Oh, that's the destination IP address. How do I see my phone's IP address? Oop. I used to check my phone's IP address by opening iFacial. Oh, there it is. Okay, that didn't do anything. I'm gonna chalk this up to this doesn't work. Or let's click create blueprint and then go to the blueprint. Why are my eyes moving again? It's doing the exact same thing it was doing before. I think it's an idle animation. Because it's not being tracked. Okay, actually that does make sense. I give up on this. I give up on this. Anyways, we're gonna ignore face tracking on the live on the YouTube and the 3D now. We're going to go back to 3D. We're gonna go back to the body tracking. I can only. Oh no, it's at 6, right? No, we're good. Okay. So now we're gonna get this connected with Warudo. So, pose sender. So it's this model. I'm assuming it's asking for the prefab. The address is this, and then the port is, as in local. It's the default VMC port, which it was already set to. Oh my god, wait! I'm so fucking stupid. Wait, you guys, I'm so fucking stupid. Was the fucking VMC receiver overwriting it? But it's still not working. So that's why only the eyes were moving, because the eyes were part of the idle animation and they weren't part of the... It's still not working. Otherwise my eyes would have been moving properly. But I'll give it one more try. I wish is there like a print? Toggle blueprint enabled? A debug or something? Inspect value? Yeah. Is tracked is false, so yeah, it's not connecting. Isn't a certified Louisville lucky stream without suffering. That's so true, bestie. That's so true. So yeah, VTube Studio receiver is in fact not receiving. Why is is there no way to check the IP of your phone? Okay, where's Warudo? Okay. Let's see if this IP that I got from iFacial Look. Yeah, I tried. It's the same. Did I type it in right? Yeah. Yeah, I did. I typed it in right. 192, 168, 179. And then iFacial mocap. You know what? Fuck it. You know what? I could, if I was really, really, really upset, I could just change everything all over to iFacial mocap. But I want to use VTube Studio. Oh. Hold the Wi-Fi button? Whoa. I did not know I could do this. Whoa, that's a lot faster. Why is it saying no internet connection? Fuck you mean no internet connection? Anyways, I know I have the right phone IP address. This is my phone's IP address that I have plugged in here. It's just choosing not to receive the data. Which is a bummer, to say the least. Yeah, I definitely did this right. Okay, well, anyways, like I said, we're gonna... Well, anyways, we know we're getting VMC at least. So we know we're getting something from, we know we got the Unity thing working. So that's cool, I guess. Something I kind of wanted to do, I guess it's kind of easy though. Sometimes when I connect my phone to the Wi-Fi, the connection from my router to my phone to ISP sometimes changes. That's not the issue though, because like you see that I'm moving, right? You see that I'm moving here on the side of the screen. My VTube Studio is connected to my computer via Wi-Fi. So that's not the problem. Oh, I can see my phone's IP address. I just had to click it on VTube Studio. That's funny. Anyways, it is the same. I do have the correct IP address, but for some reason, I think that this plugin just simply doesn't work. Maybe the new update broke it or something, because there was a new update. So maybe it broke it. Let's go to the GitHub. There's a GitHub we can check. It didn't take me to the GitHub. Because Steam's weird. But let me copy the URL. Fuck. Copy. Paste. Yeah, it was last updated 2 weeks ago. there any issues? No one submitted any issues. Why did he shoehorn in Meowface into this VTube Studio plugin? That's my question. Because Android? 7 change notes. Let's read your change notes. Last updated 10 days ago. These are all the same change notes from GitHub. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't have anything to say. Kind of a bummer. Okay, well, let's just remove the... I mean, maybe I fucked it up somehow or something. I don't know. Let me give it one more college try. VMC sender. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Try having it overwrite my... Now it's blocking. I should be blocking my VTube Studio thing, but it's not. Okay. We're not doing this anymore. We are going back to our roots. You know what I need? I need like a default VMC, I guess you could say. Not VMC, VRM. By the way, Nuos, this is really random. I should just message this to you. But I feel like saying it now because it's kind of hard to explain. I guess it's not actually that hard to explain. Relying on VR chat physics is a huge fucking pain in the ass because then you have to also import VR into your Unity project, which is highly unstable. So I think I prefer, I don't know if Noah's is still here. I think I really genuinely prefer just using VRM for everything. Or like modified VRM, even though it sucks and I hate it. You know what I mean? Yeah, because I had that problem recently. I was like, okay, I want to use this model, and then I like tried to import it, and I was like, oh, I can't. I simply cannot use the really nice one because it requires VR chat, and VR chat requires VR. Very frustrating. That's a weird issue, but I guess ripping the code out is hard too. I mean, yeah, basically impossible. I tried to, by the way. What was I doing? Oh, right. I was, downloading A few things. So one thing I kind of want to do. So I got Manus gloves, by the way. Y'all know Manus? Manus is a very high-end. Although, to be honest, I don't know how happy I am about them. And I might go, I might get different gloves. But, I got Manus gloves, which are extremely high-end. What's the word? Motion capture gloves. So it's like your fingers and stuff. Motive. Here we go, Unity plugin. So I don't have my Optitrack on. So instead of using Optitrack, we'll play with the Manus gloves because they're a little easier to install. All I can tell is you looked at GitHub via my voice. I don't know what you mean. One second, let me go grab the gloves from downstairs. Hello, I'm back. TBH, one or both of these gloves might be dead. Because apparently I didn't plug them in when I left. We'll find out. Okay. Extract. Why is the exe not have an icon? Let's just put my left glove on. They're also a real bitch and a half to put on. They have these little fingertips you gotta like pull over your fingertips. Welcome to Manus Core Setup Wizard. Accept the license. This might try to restart my computer. Can't tell if your comment Nuos is a Hololive reference or a highfalutin culture reference that I don't understand. Taking a while to install. Ah, there we go. Start Manus Core now. Don't tell Manus, but I kind of want to hack it. But I'm not. I think I could. I would not. Let me rephrase that. I think it's possible, but I don't know how to do it. But I want to do it. Please choose a username. What do I want to set up? Glove. Please make sure your gloves are on and in pairing mode. No, don't tell me the glove I just put on is not charged. Fucking hell. Is this one off? Is this one charged? Neither of them are charged. God damn it. Okay, let me plug them in real quick. I have a little charging station right here. Device not assigned warning. Fauna released a hat for her 2-year anniversary. Oh no. It's a holiday reference. Fauna just came out with a Man I Love Fauna hat. I saw that she released merch. Oh my god, all the fan art of Randon and Lando is so funny. Oh, Lando tweeted the weirdest thing is that my actual first name is Landon. Randon and Landon. Lando and Rando. And then Randon said, my real name is Herbert. That's easy. Sorry, I'm like getting really distracted. Partially because these fucking gloves are turning on. Okay, continue. I can't calibrate the gloves. They're not charged. So that's not happening. In the meantime, let's bring the Manus Unity plugin into Unity. Bloop. Yes. Import it all. I don't care. Throw me to the wolves. I don't care. I just realized that like half my Unity screen is being cut off on OBS. You guys couldn't even see what I was doing. There you go. Okay. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add a like motion receiver. And we're gonna add, I think they just call it skeleton. They have the worst fucking names. Oh my god, I forgot about this. Okay, Manus is fucking stupid. I hate this shit. So for every single skeleton you use Manus gloves with, you have to set up a custom skeleton. It's so stupid. They have an auto setup that doesn't work. Oh, oops, I did the wrong one. Okay, apparently I have to put this on this thing. Okay, so it's literally just called skeleton. Send nodes, send skeleton to tool. It opens up a completely separate program. It can't even see the skeleton now. Didn't get any skeleton. My god. Wow. 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 Okay, this is clearly a problem with the Manus core, so let's close that up. New temporary skeleton detected in core. Well, it says that, but there sure isn't one. This is annoying. Okay, let's try doing it again. Maybe if I keep doing the exact same thing over and over again, something different will happen. Wait, what does skeleton sync? Is that... It doesn't have anything. Okay, cool. The world may never know. Yeah, it sure is doing nothing. Oh. Oh. That was weird. Okay, never mind. That was... Didn't know that was a thing. Okay. So when I send the skeleton to the tool, it actually gives me a bunch of options of models I can use. Okay. Now try to auto-allocate. I think it worked. Let's try that. JK. Doesn't seem like it received it, so I have to do it again. Available models. Now it's just doing nothing. I love that for me. Set up nodes, send skeleton to tool, available models, Vita, auto allocate, cool. Oh, it's actually already set up. It's actually set up pretty nicely. Send to plugin. And then also export it to a file because this fucking shit never works. Yes, replace it. Import skeleton from file. Okay, I think it should work now. God, I hate Manus. Like when I open the fridge over and over hoping there's something good to eat inside. Oh my god, I do that all the time. I actually do that all the time. Okay, so supposedly that's fine now. See ya, have a good day, have a good weekend. Let me see if I can get my gloves working. I think they're charged enough for me to at least play with them a little bit. So let's open the Manus core again, which is such a I do love the phrase Manus core. No, it's really not charged much at all, I would say, honestly. It's already being like, I'm not charged, charge me! While we calibrate the left hand. Oh, I didn't have to calibrate them. I'll take that. Let's see. It should be all curled up. Yep, and fucked up. That's exactly what it should look like. Perfect. Now let's see if we're getting that in Warudo. Okay. Warudo. Are my hands all fucked up? Yeah, they sure are, baby! Let's fucking go! Nice. See those fucked up fingers? Mission failed successfully. Wait, you got the new hands? Oh my god, do you have the new hands? I need some brie in celebration. Is that a South Park reference? It wasn't meant to be, but I'm kicking the glove around. You know what my favorite part of VNyan now in Warudo, so that I don't have to implement, is that you can do VMC smoothing. So I can have my mocap and everything, and there's like smoothing and stuff. It's good shit. I'm already a Jimmy Ballmer for a second. Yeah, the way I said it was very South Park. I'll give you that. So the second part of this is Optitrack. Did I download it? But I can't test it because I don't have my mocap system up right now in this moment. It's kind of a hassle to do so. But I'll be satisfied if we can just get it imported and everything. Optitrack, Motive, Unity plugin. Also, I'm supposed to be upgrading my Optitrack license, software license. Speaking of, actually, let me just email them right now because they have not got. I waited until fucking Saturday to do this. What's wrong with me? It's been like a week. They haven't emailed me back. They're like, okay, to get this license, you have to like submit a. Germa went live. I need to go, guys. Hey guys, I need to go. Hey guys? I'm sorry guys, I need to go. I need to go, guys. Okay, we're gonna import the Unity plugin and then I'm gonna leave. My recommendation for this week is that you should watch the K-drama called My Lovely Liar. It's really good. I liked it. Thank you for being happy to see me stream. I enjoy streaming. Just work keeps me comically busy, and I'm sorry about that. Optitrack Skeleton Animator. It's gonna be called Lua or something. I don't know. We have to put a streaming client in here. Just put Optitrack, and then you give it a streaming client, and then all this stuff has to be set up, but I'm not doing that right now. And the destination avatar is this, and you're leaving already? Yeah, it's Germa. To be honest, I was actually nervous that he was going to stream again this week, and I kept forgetting to check his stream schedule. I should have done it though. That's on me. What else do I have to do here? I think I have to set this, but that's whatever. And then it should complain that it couldn't find a connection, which is exactly what it did. Okay, well, I mean, generally successful. I would say this was all generally quite successful. Into the Jarmaverse, yes. I will see you all later. I'll see you all later. Have a great day. Go watch some other streamers. Go watch some other VTubers. I just realized I had top chat on this whole time. See you in 2 months. I was probably getting your chats kind of late because I had top chat on. That's my beef. Anyway, see you guys later. I'm gonna go watch Jerba, and then I'm gonna go watch Landon and Randon play Stardew Valley or whatever. See ya.